This is a four-way tap. Essentially, it's doing single leg squats, reaching in 4 different directions. They're going to be, first one is going to be out to the side. The next one's going to be diagonal. The last one's going to be, or the middle one's going to be straight back. The last one's going to be out diagonal this way. The goal is that your foot is hovering the entire time. If you need a tap here at the end, you can, but ideally you're just reaching as far back as you can, then coming back up. Reaching, 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 come back up. Reaching, 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 come back up. With good hip stability, knee stability, you're not fighting your knee, keeping it nice and grounded and rooted into the ground. This is a four-way valve slide. All I'm using is something that's frictionless, so it can slide. You can use a magazine, you can use a pillowcase, anything really works. You're gonna go in 4 different directions. The first one's gonna be out to the side. The next one's going to be diagonal. The third one's gonna be straight back. The last one is what we call a curtsy lunge, can be out diagonal the other way. Now the big key is that I have no weight through the slider. Pretend there's an eggshell there. All the weight is on my left leg, and I am pulling myself back up. As I go down, I'm using my left leg to pull me back up, not necessarily sliding my right leg back. So again, I'm pulling myself in my left leg.